Hello everyone, I'm Serhiy Kopechuk and welcome on my channel. Today we're starting to solve 169 problems from Green 75, and the first easy problem is TwoSum. Let's draw a solution for this problem. Take two numbers with different indices, sum it and compare with our target. If it will be equal, then we will return two indices of these numbers. Let's try our brute force solution. So here we have 3 and 2, so let's add it. We will have 5 and 5 is not equal to 6. Okay, let's take 3 and 4 and the sum would be 7, which is not equal to 6 as well. The last pair would be 2 and 4, which would be equal to 6, which is equals to our target. This means that we can return indices of our number 2 and number 4, which is 1 and 2. Because our array is starting from 0. Here is our result. The time complexity for this solution would be big O of n squared, because we need to compare each pair to our target, and the space complexity would be big O of 1. As you can see, our time complexity is bad, and how we can improve it? If we look at our space, we see that we don't use it, so let's use it. Here I created a hash map. It will help us to solve this problem. Let's take our first number and subtract it from our target. So 6 minus 3 would be 3. Let's look at our hash map. Do we have 3 here as value? No, we don't. So let's add this value to our hash map, value 3 and index is 0. Add it here. Let's move on to our next number, 2. So 6 minus 2 would be equals to 4. We don't hear 4, so we add value 2, index of 2 is 1 here in our hash map. Let's move on to our next number. The next number is 4. 6 minus 4 would be equal to 2. Yeah, we have 2 in our hash map. This means that we found two numbers, 4 and 2, which will be equal to 6. The index of 4 is 2 and the index of 2 is 1, so our result and output would be 2 and 1, or 1 or 2, because the order is don't matter. The time complexity for this solution would be big O of n, because we need to iterate only once, and the space complexity would be big O of n as well, because we need to store our values with our indices. This is much more efficient. Okay, let's move on to the code, and first of all we need to create a hash map. Okay, let's iterate through every index of our array. Let's check if we have index. So here we're checking if our hash map contains our subtraction. If so, we will return index and index of our current number. Otherwise, we will add our number to our hash map, and in next iteration we will find the answer, because it says only one valid answer exists. Let's return empty array because it don't really matter, but okay, let's try run it. Yeah, every accepted, and here we go. This is how we solve this problem. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe.